Closely to Taos Tigers. Tigers quarterback Dakota Swinehart feeling the pressure, lobbing up one. Jaguars Edward Abuado picks it off for the interception. Then on the next possession, Luis Soto, like a Jaguar, going through the middle, tearing it up before he's brought down. That would set up the field goal. Caleb Crum connecting from 32 yards out, putting Valencia up 54-6. Student body said, well, we can roll with that. Taos getting something going late in the second quarter. Tigers quarterback Swinehart going down the sideline to Mike Swazo. Swazo staying with it for the catch. Tigers in business. On the very next play, Swinehart finding his partner. Swazo on the opposite side of the field for the touchdown, making it 54-12, but this game already too late. Valencia up big. Valencia winning it 68-18 is the final. Now, if you want to send photos, remember we have a photo submission contest where you could go to krqe.com.